Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by opening the settings that control audio captions. You can press Windows key plus A to bring up quick settings, or click the speaker icon in the taskbar. This gets you where Captions live. Once you see a live Captions or accessibility option, you're ready to act. If you don't see it, open Settings and search Live Captions. Make sure you're signed in with an account that can change system accessibility features, because permissions block changes otherwise. Now locate the Live Captions toggle in Accessibility under Hearing or Sound and switch it off. This action stops caption generation at the system level. Once done, confirm any prompt that asks to apply changes. Make sure to close or restart apps that were showing captions, because some programs cache caption display and won't update until restarted. If the toggle is grayed out, check for pending system updates or group policy settings that could enforce Finish by rebooting the PC so all caption services fully stop. This resolves most lingering displays. If captions still appear, check Windows Update and install any pending updates. Sometimes a system patch controls caption behavior. If the device is managed by an organization, make sure Group Policy, or MDM, isn't forcing captions. Contact your administrator to remove that policy. One troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is injecting captions, then uninstall the offending app.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.